Carbon and its compounds. Why carbon is special? Carbon is a non-metal present in group 14 of the periodic table. It forms a vast number of compounds due to catenation, self-linking property, and tetravalency, valency 4, found in all living organisms and various forms like diamond, graphite, and coal. For example, diamond is a hardest natural substance. Graphite is a good conductor of electricity. What are the two unique properties of carbon responsible for the formation of a large number of compounds? Answer is catenation and tetravalency. Covalent bond in carbon compounds. A covalent bond in a chemical bond formed by the sharing of electrons. Type of covalent bonds. Single bond. Example methane CH4. Double bond. Example oxygen O2. Triple bond. Example nitrogen N2. Methane CH4 formation. 1 electron, 4 hydrogen atoms forming a single covalent bond. Why does carbon not form an ionic bond? Answer is losing 4 electrons is difficult as it required to high energy. Gaining 4 electrons make it unstable due to electrons repulsion. Allotropes of carbons. Different form of carbons. Diamond, hard, transparent, does not conduct electricity. Graphite, soft, black, good conductor of electricity. Fluorines, spherical molecule used in nanotechnology. Which allotrope of carbon is used as a lubricant? Answer is graphite. Hydrocarbons, compounds made up of carbon and hydrogen only. Types of hydrocarbons. Saturated hydrocarbons, alkanes, contain only single bond. For example, methane CH4, ethane C2H6. Unsaturated hydrocarbons, alkanes, contain one or more double bonds. For example, ethane C2H4, propane C3H6. Alkynes contain one or more triple bonds. For example, ethane C2H2, propane C3H4. Name of hydrocarbon that contains a triple bond. Answer is ethane C2H2. Functional group in carbon compounds. A functional group is an atom or group of atoms responsible for chemical properties. Alcohol OH negative. Alcohol OH, example ethanol C2H5OH. Aldehyde, formula CHO. Example ethanol CH3CHO. Ketone, formula CO. For example, propanone CH3COCH3. Carboxylic acid, formula COOH. Example ethanoic acid CH3COOH. Which functional group is present in vinegar? Answer carboxylic acid COOH. Nomenclature of organic compounds. Rules for naming organic compounds. Count the number of carbon atom. Use the prefix met 1 carbon, et 2 carbon, prop 3 carbon, etc. Identify the functional group. Add the prefix n for single bond, in for double bond, ein for triple bond. For example, CH4 methane single bond, C2H4 ethane double bond. Name the compound CH3CH2OH. Answer ethanol. Chemical properties of carbon compounds. Combustion, burning. Hydrocarbons burn in oxygen to form CO2 and H2O with energy release. For example, CH4 plus 2O2 produce CO2 plus 2H2O plus heat. Oxidation. Alcohols are oxidized to acids. For example, C2H5OH plus O2 produce CH3COOH plus H2O. Addition reactions, alkenes and alkynes. Hydrogen is added to unsaturated hydrocarbons in the presence of catalyst. For example, C2H4 plus H2 produce C2H6. Substitution reaction, hydrogen in alkenes is replaced by chlorine in the presence of sunlight. For example, CH4 plus Cl2 produce CH3Cl plus HCl. What is the product formed when ethanol is oxidized? Answer, ethanoic acid, CH3COOH. Soap and detergent. Soap made from fatty acid and sodium hydroxide forms micelles in water trapping dirt. Detergent made from sulfonate and does not form scum in hard water. Why do soap not work well in hard water? Because they form insoluble scum with calcium and magnesium ions. Here are some important questions and answers. Why are carbon compounds mainly covalent? Because carbon shares electrons instead of losing or gaining them. What is the general formula of alkanes? Answer, CnH2n plus 2. What are isomers? Give an example. Isomers are compounds with the same molecular formula but different structure. For example, butane C4H10 has an butane and isobutane. How does ethanoic acid react with sodium carbonate? Answer, CH3COOH plus Na2CO3 produce CH3COONA plus CO2 plus H2. Bubbles of CO2 are formed. Explain the mechanism of cleaning action of soap. Soap molecules have a hydrophilic head, water attracting, and hydrophobic tail, oil attracting. The tail traps grease, dirt, forming a micelle. Water rinses away the dirt with the micelles. Carbon is an essential element in organic chemistry. It forms various compounds like hydrocarbons, alcohol, acid, and detergent. Understanding its properties help daily application like fuel, medicine, and soap. If you want to ask something, comment below.